In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off instant booking on Airbnb. If you want more control over who stays at your property, turning off instant book can be a helpful option. Once the setting is disabled, guests will no longer be able to book your place automatically. Instead, they'll need to send a booking request first, which gives you the chance to review the details and approve or decline manually. To get started, open the Airbnb app or go to the Airbnb website in your browser. From there, sign in to your host account. Make sure you're using the account that manages the listing you want to update, since the booking settings are tied to each individual property. After you're logged in, go to the main menu and select Listings. This will take you to the area where all of your properties are managed. Choose the specific listing you want to edit. If you host more than one place, take a moment to confirm that you've opened the correct one before making any changes. Next, look through the listing settings until you find the booking settings section. This is where Airbnb lets you manage how guests can reserve your property, including whether bookings happen instantly or require your approval. Once you're in booking settings, select Instant Book. This opens the current booking preference so you can adjust it. If Instant Book is currently enabled, you should see the option switched on. Now go ahead and turn off Instant Book by toggling the switch to off. This is the key change that stops automatic reservations and puts you back in control of reviewing each request before it becomes a confirmed booking. After that, save the change by clicking Save or Done, depending on whether you're using the website or the mobile app. It's important not to leave this page before saving, or your update may not be applied. Finally, review your listing to make sure the setting has been updated correctly. You should now see that guests need to submit a booking request instead of booking instantly. That means you'll be able to look over their information, dates, and any messages before accepting the stay. As a quick tip, this setting is useful if you want more flexibility, but it may also add an extra step for guests. So be sure it matches how you prefer to host. And that's how to turn off instant booking on Airbnb.